Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about the Revlon Colorstay Skinny Liquid Eyeliner. I was just going to tell you what it is, but it's all in the name. I have it in the color Blackout, so it is just black. And according to the website, it says get the ultimate skinny line. Revlon Colorstay Skinny Liquid Liner gives you a skinny, defined line with rich, intense color in just one stroke. Its ultra fine 0.1 millimeter tip and long-lasting formula makes it easy to create a precise line that lasts all day and won't fade, transfer, or smudge. Colorstay Liquid Eyeliner is also ophthalmologist tested to be safe for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. Then it gives you a description of how to wear it. With a light touch, apply the liner starting at the inside corner and work outwards. Instead of trying to apply it all in one line, draw several smaller lines. For a winged cat eye, extend slightly beyond the outer corner of eye. So this has an ultra thin line, all day wear, it's smudge free, doesn't fade or anything like that, which is really nice. It is very highly pigmented, so you get a really bold, even streak color, even with just one stroke. It's a non-draggy, it's not super draggy, which is really nice, which when I say draggy, that kind of means that when I lift the brush off of my eyelid, there's not the place where I stopped it is where the line is going to stop, if that makes sense. Because sometimes if it drags, even when you lift it, it kind of keeps going just a tiny little bit. So I can get a really precise line for this. I really like that they made sure to say that it's ophthalmologist tested. I think that that's something that not very many companies do. Make sure that it's actually not gonna irritate your eyes or anything like that, and it's also nice to know that it's not gonna really irritate my contact lenses either. I wear contacts, and there are some products that just dry out your eyes more than others, and this one I haven't had a problem with it at all. So I don't know, I really like it. This eyeliner comes in, you can get it in 4 different colors or 4 different shades. So they have Blackout, Green Spark, which is kind of like a dark foresty emerald green, Mahogany Flame, which is a brown, and Navy Shock, which is a dark blue, a navy blue. And you can get this product pretty much anywhere. You can get it online. I'm sure, I've never actually gone to Revlon's website, but I'm sure you can order from their website. I wonder if that's a thing people actually do, or if they just get it in stores that you can get everything at once at Walmart or Target or Amazon or something like that. I don't know. It's interesting. Even though I will say, even though it is long lasting, it does remove really easily with makeup wipe. So that's just also good to know. Sometimes there are products that are long lasting, and because of that, it's really hard to take the product off at the end of the day. And something that you put on your eyes or around your eyes is definitely a product that you don't want to have to scrub, because that's when you'll get dark circles and things like that. So it's really easy to remove this product, which is really nice. So I'll go ahead and open this up. It has a felt tip, and it's a really small tip. So it's really small, which is really nice because you get a nice precise application the smaller the tip. I also like that the handle is really long. It's longer than the bottle with the product itself, which is nice because then you can hold it better, and it's also not too thin and not too thick, the circumference of it, and it kind of gets wider towards the tip than it is up here. So it's thinner, and then it gets a little wider, and it just makes it for a nice little grip. And I can go ahead and do a little swatch so that you can see how pigmented it is and how easy it is to draw a line. I'm going to go in very lightly, barely touch, and you get a nice thin little line there, and it's really nice. It does take a little I would wait maybe like a good 60 seconds for it to dry before like moving on, especially if you like curl your eyelashes. Don't use your eyelash curler right after using this, because it takes a little bit for it to dry. It's not too bad, it's not too long. You could like do your eyebrows or something and do like mascara, curl your lashes and do mascara last or something, but I don't know. I've never used any of the other colors, so I can't speak to the other colors, but I really like this. You get a nice, precise line, and let's see, is it dried? It is dried, and it is not smudging or anything. It's really, really nice. And for like an eyeliner that you can get anywhere that's not like super high end, this is just really nice. It's one of my favorite eyeliners that I use. The thin applicator is so nice and so perfect for doing like a cat wing and things like that, or even just doing like a very, very thin layer. I will say I wouldn't use it on the bottom eyelash, your bottom lash line, only on the top. Liquid eyeliners, that's like a really good way to irritate your eyes, using it on the bottom. So yeah, I really love this eyeliner, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.